Hey crafters, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here with me today. I am going to show you how to make this vinyl decal that says Rescue Mama by using the Cricut Design Space with a design that I have uploaded for you, along with some permanent adhesive vinyl. Now you can put this on so many different types of surfaces. I am actually just sending mine to a customer that ordered a shirt from my animal collection as a way to say thank you. So whatever the reason may be that you want to print this off, grab your supplies and let's get to making. Hi, I am Sue Ann, Jesus enthusiast, wife, mother, and maker of things. Follow along with me in making crafts, apparel, jewelry, and so much more, all while sharing daily life experiences. And being a mother of 5, I promise I have plenty of those. So put on your confidence cap and let's get to making. Okay, so supplies I'm using today is the Oracle Permanent Adhesive Vinyl in White, Standard Grip Transfer Tape, a weeding tool, a scraper tool, a standard grip mat, and of course your Cricut. I am using the Cricut Maker 3. Let's go ahead and open up our Cricut Design Space, and when you're at the home page, go up to the search bar and type in Sue Ann with an E at the end of it. Now that's going to bring up images, projects, but also the community members. Scroll down until you find me. You may need to click View All depending on how many pull up at the time. But then that will take you to my Cricut Design Space homepage. Find the Rescue Mama decal. Now it's currently set at 5 inches by 3.5. So if you're okay with that size, then you'll just click make it. But if you want to resize it, we are going to click customize. From here, this is going to pull your image into your canvas. Now again, if you want to resize this, go up to your top toolbar and click in the width and height area, and it's locked, so it's going to keep it proportionately sized. Now this image is already welded and ready to go, so once you have the size that you want, just click make it in the top right hand corner. Now we're going to click continue. So since I'm using a non-Cricut brand vinyl, I am going to browse all materials, type in vinyl, scroll down to the very bottom, and that is going to be the material setting that I use. I'm going to click done. All right, so now it's time to go ahead and cut out the vinyl, put it on the mat, and insert the mat into the Cricut so it can do its magic. So the first thing that I'm gonna go ahead and cut out is the Oracle Permanent Vinyl. Now my design is 5 inches by 3.5 inches, but I always give mine a little extra space for my Cricut mat. After that, we're gonna follow the same process and cut out our transfer tape. Now it's time to place our permanent adhesive vinyl onto our Cricut mat. I am using the green standard grip mat, and I am placing it vinyl side up. Go ahead and insert it into your Cricut machine, and once the play button is flashing, go ahead and press it and let the Cricut cut out your design. Now that the Cricut is done cutting out our design, it is time to weed our design. So grab your weeding tool, and weeding just means that we are going to remove the excess vinyl that we don't want in our design. So a little tip that I do is I take my excess vinyl and I set it off to the side, and then I take my smaller pieces of vinyl that I'm removing and stick it to the sticky part of the vinyl. This keeps it from sticking on me. So now that we have our design weeded, we're going to grab our transfer tape. So as you can see, transfer tape has these grid lines on it, and these are going to help you line things up. So when you're ready to apply your decal to something, you can be sure that you're lining it up just how you want. Whew, okay, so now that I finally have the tape removed from the backing, we're going to apply it to our design. I recommend folding it over like a little taco and then placing it in the middle of your design, and then allow your tape to gently fall so you have a nice smooth surface and you don't have any bubbles. Grab your scraper tool and apply a little bit of pressure so that we can get some of this vinyl to stick to the transfer tape. So your first instinct may want to be to just peel it from the mat. Please do not do that. A tip for removing vinyl and even paper from your mats is to let the mat do the work for you. So as you can see, these things are so flexible, and as I bend my mat, the paper automatically starts to come off, and that way it doesn't bend your design. So now I'm gently going to peel it up to make sure that my vinyl has adhered to my transfer tape. That way when my customer gets this, I know that it's going to be very simple to apply. And there you have it. Your decal is ready to go. You can apply this to so many things. You can put it on the window of your car. You can put it on a travel mug, a notebook, wood surfaces, so many other things. Or just like me, you can put it in an envelope and send it to somebody to bring joy to their day. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If so, be sure to click the like button. Maybe even leave a comment below. Be sure to let me know if you have any questions. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with all of my future crafting endeavors, cooking endeavors, clay endeavors, all of the things. Until next time, be confident in who you are and all that you do. Bye.